snows a lot in Toronto, but this holiday there wasn't so much. Even though we wanted to have snowball fights and make a snowman, I wanted to go to an exciting place. So we went to the Aurora Winter Festival. There were plenty of exciting attractions and activities. After we went on rides, rode on sleds, and went to the Christmas market, it became very dark. And I saw a magical winter wonderland full of beautiful and massive lights. Skating is the best in winter. The skating rink looked really romantic. In the craft tent, we heard holiday stories with Santa and his elves. And we made paper snowflakes. Do you know how to make paper snowflakes? Try this. After you fold the paper like this, draw a pattern that you want and cut it out. If you want to learn how to make paper snowflakes, see paper snowflakes in the channel Let's Art. You can make different kinds of snowflakes. I decorated the wall with the snowflakes I made. Pretty snowflakes are raining down in my house. Will it snow tomorrow? Let it snow!